Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and we're going to ride choppers with no clothes on. Stick around to find out why. So once again, on the 1950 Triumph, we titled the Judge. This bike has quickly become my favorite motorcycle to ride. Not only is it the oldest motorcycle that I currently own that is running and riding, but it's the best running and riding Triumph that I have out of all 17 of the bikes that I have. Having a great time. We woke up this morning, which you're gonna see that clip in a second. We decided to ride around the campground in our underwear with a bunch of other bikers in memory of a gentleman who passed away a couple years ago that did that same thing and started that tradition at the Rip Run. Wonderful, great time. But me and my buddy Jack, he's back there on his 1966 Triumph. We decided, let's jump on the bikes, let's ride out to the coast, let's see the water as we start this a wonderful day and get back and go do some really cool chopper fun stuff. So, hang out guys, let's go see the beach and then let's get back there. Really seems like Jack's 66 Triumph is putting the paces down, running great, able to pull. I'll tell you what, ever since we put that carburetor on that bike, did some clutch adjustments, it's like a whole new motorcycle. He's living and loving life on a vintage 1966 Triumph. Super cool. Glad I can hang out with him. Glad that we can have two old vintage Triumphs out on the road at the same exact time. What beats this? Nothing. There's something special about going to the water, being out close to nature that kind of clears your mind, gives you a breath of fresh air, and gets you started on a new day. So, good times here at the water, but I think it's time to get back to the campground and get some craziness going. So, let's head back that way. So we're here at the Rip Run hanging out. Got a super cool individual we haven't had a chance to really meet.
Zach.
And he's doing some of the old 10 type photography. I've seen it at a lot of different shows, and it's just so cool to capture it, kind of like that essence, especially with old motorcycles.
Absolutely. That was what I was hoping for.
Well, cool, man. Yeah. So the motorcycle's a 1950 Triumph. Okay. A lot of history behind the bike. Super cool. But thank you, Zach, for doing this.
Thank you.
Man.
Appreciate it.
Where can they find you on Instagram?
Shutter Realm.
Shutter Realm.
Yep. Shutter like the camera and Realm.
Oh, sweet. Go check him out. Cool. He's good stuff, man. out here at the Rip Run, having a great time. My buddy Jack here with me, and he's like, hey Weems, will you go grab me a beer out of the cooler? And I was like, sure, I'll go grab you a beer. This is gonna be great. Now let's go give Jack his beer. All right, Mr. Jack, here's your beer. Let me grab my beer. All about choppers, the Rip Run, having a good time. Cheers, my friend.
Absolutely.
Is it refreshing?
Well earned.
Well earned. Cooled you down a little bit. It's hot today.
It is.
November in Florida.
Who'd have thunk it?
Heat. Cheers, guys. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're going to ride choppers with no clothes on.
Triumph even sexier. Yep, that's my hero.
Wake up, Jack. Time to ride choppers.
Yeah, this is going to be my nightmare from now on.
Why are we like rubbing skin? Like our nipples are practically touching.
For Sweet Pete, man. It's RIP run.
Sweet Pete. So no other motorcycle event will you wake up at 7 o'clock to a bunch of bikers without their clothes on, ripping it around. This
the most amazing thing I've ever done in my life.
Dude, this is so awesome. This is the Rip Run.
Oh yeah.
Let's check out what's gonna happen today. It's gonna get crazy from here, right?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's do this, man.
Yeah.
We are still at the Rip Run, hanging out, and I run into a guy riding a sweet Triumph chopper. So, what year's the bike? Why did you build it? What's the story? Tell us the whole thing, man.
I'll tell you, I got into Triumphs. A guy in my neighborhood, I saw my buddies with these old bikes, newer bikes. I want some of the old stuff. And my neighbor was selling this frame that I've never seen before. I buy it, not knowing what it was. It turned out it was a Triumph. Sold that. And then eventually I'm like, I'm not gonna get into it. And then this, kind of the engine, cases, and the wheels fell into my lap.
Isn't that the way it happens?
Yeah.
Sometimes the best projects, the best bikes you build are stuff that just kind of fall in your lap. You're
Absolutely.
Like, I wasn't looking, but it was looking for you.
Exactly. And I always wanted to build like an old 60s or 70s type chopper, but on the rigid end, it's good. And
yeah.
I got the highway pegs, and it's fun, man. It's a great motor, and I learned so much with it. And obviously seeing cats like you breaking try it to the next level.
No, we're good. So the main question is, how many times did you have to stop for gas?
So funny thing, and everybody always asks me about that. So as the tank sits right now, I know I can do 70 without refilling. So I can probably do 80 on that. Yeah.
Well, beautiful bike, George.
I appreciate it, my man.
You guys definitely check out George. Check out the tar ball ride.
Yeah, I'll come back sooner or later.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do it up so we can get these old choppers out on the road having a good time, man.
Absolutely.
All right, let's go check out some chopper games.
Oh, absolutely.
Are you gonna be in it?
I'll be in it, man.
folks, that's gonna wrap it up here at the Rip Run. Had a great time hanging out with some great friends, seeing some old cool motorcycles and having fun playing some games. If you are new around here, make sure you jump down and hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here at Weems Motor Co. Peace.